But the last time I had a car out was August. August. We went out testing, no prep testing, trying to get it right. And I put some clips in right here. And but anyway, it went bad. I couldn't get it to hook as normal with the new setup, but I just need some more time. Anyway, it was a rough night. I ended up, I didn't know if I wanted to go, and I blew a tire on the trailer going up there. And then once we finally get there, I couldn't get the car to go down, and then the car kept dying on the big end. I let my daughter guide the car back to the trailer, and she did not follow the four-wheeler whatsoever for some reason. I'm trying to turn around, but she went straight, and it snatched all the brackets off of the front for the radiator. Steer the car and hit the brakes. What? I was right back home with that. Just close the laptop. Noah, you come on. Just close the laptop. All the way! Come on! What are you doing? Iobi, why would you straighten out? We going that way!
Yeah, I straightened out so the tires.
Come on! Keep the wheel right! All the way right! Dang it, man. Why would you turn the wheel that way? I had to redo my radiator brackets and stuff, but I already got that stuff done, as you can see. I just never put the bumper back on. But also, I always thought my turbos was too close together. They was fighting each other for air. So now I'm gonna change it back to kind of how the original setup was. Just looking at the dyno graph and everything, it was starting to fall off in power above 6,500 RPMs. So I'm gonna move the turbos back forward or angle them just a little bit. I'm gonna have to put this one like this one. I did this one yesterday, but what do you guys think? I like it like this. Now I just have to redo the exhaust again. I don't plan on moving it after this time. Yeah, I think this will work better. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. So we almost done. I already got them angled forward. That side is done over there. I just got to finish up the hot side here and then redo the charge piping there. All right, guys. So we got the turbo kit. We got the turbo kit done, and everything is hooked up. Everything is good to go. I got it all back in. Had to do some pie cuts on here to get this right. I'm not too sure if I want to leave the O2 sensor here because of moisture and things when it sits. I know how that gets, so I might get a plug for that one, get a new bung and weld it on the back side or somewhere right here. Same thing on this side. It's underneath. But I'm happy with the way it turned out. All right, angle them forward just a little bit. So they're not really fighting each other for air. But everything else is back the same. I should have got a new fender to close up this hole. But yeah, she's back. Turbo kits is done. And I had to switch this up a little bit down here. I need to clean all this off now. But what I gotta do now, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pull the oil pan off. What I noticed is also we're doing a 125 or 123 60 foot. I think the last time it was out, oil pressure was dropping a lot. And it has an improved racing baffle in it already. Now, if that ain't helping, I'm gonna see how far I can actually move the pickup tube back. So I might just do that and measure it, cut it, move it back, weld it, and see if I can make that happen. Or I just get another oil pan. But I've read some people still have the same problem with a different oil pan. I think I have enough room. I'm letting the oil drain now. I'll probably take it out tomorrow. I think I got enough room under there to be able to drop the oil pan and take it off completely. And it looks like enough room. Let's pull a data log up and see what this does. I record it so y'all can see. All right, guys, so here's what I think something's going on. It's probably not my oil pan issue. I mean, it still could be an oil pan issue. It can help. I can move the pickup tube. But this is a run back in 23 before I swapped to a 6.0. This is the 5.3, same oil pan, same pickup tube, same baffle, same oil pump. So I'm thinking something I need to look at. It may just be like an O-ring or something. But anyway, so here's coming up on the two-step. I have 65 PSI on the two-step with the 5.3. This is why data logs are important. 65 PSI on two-step. Right now it does drop a little bit. Right there, see it starts going up. I come off the two-step, come off the trans brake right here. The car starts moving, right? RPM start going up, oil pressure is going up, right? 67, and then right there at 59, a little bit past peak torque is where it drops, almost 10 PSI. And then it drops 20 PSI. So I'm at 45 PSI right now, 41, 38, right? Kind of hangs around the 40 PSI for the whole pass. See how much boost I'm running through that 5.3? $31 on that 5.3. Right, 43 PSI oil. Almost through the whole pass. 34 on that 5.3, 34. Right, and then towards the end of the pass, it gets back up to like 50. Right, that's the 5.3. Let's look at what the 6.0 did already off the bat. I'm on the trans brake, coming up, right, 58 PSI. So that's already lower right off the bat. Now it could have been temperature. I use the same oil, 1540, but it's already a little lower. Still almost 60, but still a little lower, 57 PSI. All right, so then when I let go the trans brake, right there, it starts climbing a little bit to 60, 50, 61, then down. It's right around peak torque again, down to 58, and then 48, 45, 38, 39, but now look at it dropping more. It's pulling. All right, my phone ran out of storage, but something is definitely going on here, because I even lost boost there for a second. I don't know if I pedaled or what happened right there. Looked like I did pedal. Yeah, because I came off the thing, I pedaled. Yeah, that's probably the pass with where it shook the tires and I got off it and got back into it. But look at that, 18 PSI of oil at only 20 pounds of boost. Now I think roughly that's making about the same that 5.3 made at 30 something pounds boost. I mean, this is a bigger motor, but 22 PSI. Look at that oil pressure, 10 towards the end. Something's going on with it. Something's going on with it. So we're gonna take the pan off. We're gonna look at it and check the O-rings, because it should have more PSI than that, at least with the 5.3. Check the O-rings, and if everything's good, I might go ahead and extend that tube to the back just to see what happens. All right, y'all, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If we get this figured out and get back racing, it's always something, man. That's why I tell guys when they want to get into this racing thing, man, it's always something. It's never gonna be perfect, and when it is perfect, you're lucky. Well, guys, I got the oil pan off, and man, some damage. It ran out of oil pressure at the launch simply because I still have the F-body pickup tube. I did have an improved racing baffle. However, that thing says it's only good up to 1.4 Gs. I don't have a G meter, but I believe, according to the calculators, we're doing like a 120 60 foot. That's close to 2 Gs. And it was 7.5 quarts of that. It lost oil pressure. It went from 65 to 10 on my launch. And this is what one of my bearings look like. The motor's still in the car, so I pulled one of the caps off. It definitely got some heat in it. Those caps got heat in it, so I'm probably either buy all new rods too. I gotta get the crank check. Right now the 5.3 probably just going back in there. There's a 5.3 sitting over there. There ain't nothing wrong with it. But check out this bearing. Golly, man. That's what 10 PSI of oil pressure on like 20 pounds of boost to do. Yeah, that got hot. Man, I only had maybe 15 passes on this motor last year. 15 passes. I think I made three at it was less than 15. I made 3 at Middle Georgia, 3 or 4. I made 3 or 4 at Paradise twice. I went to Paradise 2 times, made 3 or 4 passes each. And that was it. But good note is the turbo kit's done. So I finished the turbo kit and got up angle forward just to take them back off and pull the motor out. Man. So, and then I had to pull the transmission just to get the pan off. But yeah, once I saw that, I'm like, man, dang. So yeah, we gonna fix that pickup tube, because the F-body pickup tube sits right in here. I cleaned this off already. This was the same, all gunked up. But it sits like that, right? And I don't know, you do have trap doors in there. That's where the pickup tube sits, right? I don't know why they designed it like this, GM. But anyway, I should have known to move it, considering how much torque it was making down the dyno. But I'm just gonna relocate it from here to back here and probably just get rid of this baffle altogether. So, I mean, if anybody wants it, shit, I said the crazy thing underneath looks good. But dang, yeah. So we're gonna move that pickup tube back here, and I'm gonna hope for the best. It is what it is. 5.3 gonna go back in there until I decide what to do. So.